Recently on Wild Reborn, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once thriving on the island of Mauritius, the dodo vanished by the late 1600s, erased by human impact. It became a global symbol of extinction. But what if extinction wasn't the end? Today, a radical idea is taking shape. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences believe de-extinction is within reach, using preserved DNA, gene editing, and the dodo's closest living relatives. It hasn't happened yet, but the plan is real. Colossal is working to develop surrogate techniques to hatch the first dodo in centuries, a dream on the edge of science and nature. If successful, future generations could witness dodos once again roaming the forests of Mauritius, this time with protections in place. A second chance for a lost species. Reviving the dodo could rebalance ecosystems, inspire conservation, and reshape how we protect life on Earth. The future of biodiversity might just include the past. The return of the dodo isn't science fiction, it's a scientific frontier. With your support and awareness, we can shape a future where extinction isn't the end, but a new beginning. Would you want to see the dodo walk the Earth again? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories on de-extinction, conservation, and the future of life on Earth.